Are you ready for the OnePlus Watch 3? It's packing some serious upgrades that might just shake up the smartwatch game in 2025. But how does it stack up against its biggest Android competitor, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7? Today, we're breaking it all down. Features, battery life, design, and of course, price, to help you decide which one deserves a spot on your wrist. Links to both watches are in the description below. OnePlus Watch 3 offers an incredible 120 hours, or 5 full days, of battery life in smart mode. That's significantly longer than the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7, which typically needs to be charged daily. The OnePlus Watch 3 can even extend its battery life to 16 days when using extreme power saving mode, something unheard of in most modern smartwatches. This efficiency is thanks to the dual-chipset system, where the Snapdragon W5 is paired with the BES2800 efficiency chip to optimize power use. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7, like its predecessors, offers about a day or two of battery life at best. It uses Samsung's Exynos chips, which are powerful but lack the extreme power efficiency of the dual-chip setup that OnePlus has implemented. If long battery life is a priority, the OnePlus Watch 3 is the clear winner. Both watches run Wear OS 5, but the OnePlus Watch 3 has a unique advantage with its secondary real-time operating system, or RTOS, which helps optimize battery life. This allows the watch to switch between high-power and low-power operations seamlessly, maintaining both performance and efficiency. Samsung's Galaxy Watch 7 also runs Wear OS 5, but lacks the dual-chip architecture that OnePlus uses. However, Samsung has better integration with its Galaxy ecosystem, making it the more appealing choice for users who own Samsung phones and want deep software integration. While both offer a smooth Wear OS experience, OnePlus has an edge in power efficiency, while Samsung offers better connectivity within its own ecosystem. The OnePlus Watch 3 comes with a premium titanium bezel and sapphire crystal glass, making it highly durable and scratch-resistant. OnePlus has also introduced a rotating crown, similar to what Apple Watches have, allowing for smoother navigation through menus and apps. Samsung's Galaxy Watch 7 is available in both aluminum and titanium, depending on the model. However, it does not feature a rotating crown and instead relies on touch gestures for navigation. While Samsung's build quality is excellent, OnePlus takes the lead with its more premium materials and added navigation functionality. OnePlus Watch 3 is stepping up its game with ECG support, heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen tracking, and wrist temperature monitoring. The watch also offers more accurate sleep tracking, providing users with detailed insights into their sleep patterns. Samsung Galaxy Watch 7, however, has an advantage in fitness tracking. It offers ECG and blood pressure monitoring, along with deeper fitness data through Samsung Health. It also has better integration with third-party fitness apps, making it a more versatile choice for serious athletes. For those focused on health monitoring and medical-grade metrics, Samsung has the edge. However, if you want a balance of sleep tracking and essential health features with long battery life, OnePlus is a strong contender. OnePlus has not officially confirmed the price of the Watch 3, but it is expected to fall in the $299 to $349 range. The company is also offering early sign-up discounts of $30 and even special offers like a free OnePlus Pad 2 for select buyers. Samsung Galaxy Watch 7, on the other hand, is priced at around $299, depending on the model and features, with Samsung's ecosystem supporting it, and a price that is quite reasonable for what it offers. It will give stiff competition to the OnePlus 3. If the OnePlus Watch 3 stays under $300, it could be a much better deal compared to Samsung's offering. If you're looking for outstanding battery life, premium design, and a rotating crown for easier navigation, the OnePlus Watch 3 is the better choice. It offers 5 days of battery life in smart mode, an advanced dual-chipset system for efficiency, and durable materials like titanium and sapphire crystal. If you are already invested in the Samsung ecosystem and want more advanced fitness tracking with features like blood pressure monitoring and deeper app support, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 is the better fit. The OnePlus Watch 3 stands out with long-lasting power, a sleek design, and an affordable price tag, while the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 offers superior fitness tracking and integration with Samsung devices. So, which one are you going to pick? OnePlus Watch 3 or Samsung Galaxy Watch 7? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this comparison helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to Up on Top for more videos like this one.